Welcome to Questrade. In this video, we'll give you a tour of your Questwealth portfolio on the Questrade trading platform. Questwealth portfolios are managed investing. This means your money is invested in the market for you. You'll receive an online investment portfolio of exchange-traded funds that are selected by our expert portfolio managers. To get started, go to questrade.com and log into your account. Stocks displayed are for illustrative purposes only. From the summary page, select your Questwealth account from the list near the top. Once you're on the Account tab, the first thing you'll notice is the price chart. This shows your account's growth over time. You can comb over the graph to see your total equity at any given point. You can also use the buttons below to adjust the time frame you're viewing. Below this, you'll see a table of key statistics, starting with total profit and loss, or P&L. This shows the total change in value of your investments since you opened your portfolio. Below this, you'll see the rate of returns. The simple rate of return percentage shows your investment's returns by dividing income and capital gains by how much you've invested. Meanwhile, a time-weighted rate of return shows your portfolio's annual performance regardless of deposits and withdrawals. Then, you'll see net deposits, showing the total value of all the money you have deposited since the account was opened. To the right, you have total equity, which is your total value after subtracting liabilities. Next, your market value, which is the amount your portfolio would be worth on the marketplace. Simply put, it's the amount you'd receive if you chose to cash out today, minus any trading commissions. Lastly, there's cash, which is the sum total amount of money you currently have in your account. For an even more detailed breakdown, click See All Balances. You can also choose to toggle between currencies by selecting between USD and CAD. To the right, you'll see a breakdown of how your Questwealth portfolio is allocated, based on the questionnaire you completed when you created your account. Your funds will be diversified and managed accordingly. If you have a higher risk portfolio, more of your funds will be in Canadian, US, and international equity ETFs. If you have a lower risk portfolio, your funds will be primarily in fixed income ETFs. Your portfolio should always align with your goals, so you can click Review Portfolio to redo the questionnaire at any time to make sure it's still the right one for you. Please note that you'll need to review and confirm your portfolio selection at least once every 12 months to confirm it still suits your financial circumstances. With Questwealth, we handle the investing for you and match you with a portfolio that is suitable for your needs. If there are any specific stocks or ETFs you'd like to buy, you can always open a self-directed account. We hope you found this video helpful. For more informative videos on how to navigate your Questrade account, please check out the other videos on our YouTube channel.